this is Raul Mareazul, and today we're going to be looking at my #1 favorite property in all of Playa del Carmen. Let's go take a further look. So this is my favorite. This is called Mareazul, and I'm the kind of person that doesn't want to be right in the middle of everything, like downtown. I want to be just off to the side where I can visit, but I like, you know, my privacy. I like the beach being kind of not so populated. So this is a 2-bedroom condo in Mareazul, and look at that. It's never been owned. It's been in existence for a few years now. The developer just never wanted to sell at too low of a price, and only now is considering bringing this down to under $330,000 US. So that is amazing. That is an amazing deal, because this is Mareazul. It has prestige. It has the biggest common areas in the Riviera Maya. So you have these lush gardens and jungle, and then this enormous pool that stretches a couple hundred yards, and a restaurant, and the beach here is just absolutely amazing. This is where me and my family come, and it's just this is luxury. This is luxury. And look at this window here. I mean, it's huge. And then you just come in, and master bedroom. I mean, this is a huge master bedroom. And the best part, and as I was saying about the location, you're just about 100 yards away from the end of 5th Avenue. And the end of 5th Avenue means that you walking 5th Avenue, which is a nice walk, good lighting, lots of park benches. That walk takes you about 15-20 minutes into downtown, the center of downtown Playa del Carmen, or by bicycle, 5-10 minutes. So it's just so close to everything. And look at this. This is the best part. This is the maid's quarters. So it has its own bathroom here. Sorry about there's no light here, but it has its own bathroom, shower, enough room for a twin-size bed, and you know, you got the laundry hook up here. This is because here in Mexico, this is somewhat common in the luxury apartments to have a room set aside for the babysitter or for the help. So can you imagine that? This is 3 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms, but really it's, you know, you could count that other one is a half bedroom, or you can just use it as utilities. But it's just huge. It's beautiful. The ocean is right here, and you're in a gated community within a gated community, and on an 18 holes of golf and restaurants and golf club and spa. So I mean, this is just a really good deal that they just came up with. There's only 2 or 3 of these units left. Just want you to get an idea of the common grounds here, because they really are amazing. Just about 100 yards that way is 5th Avenue, and over here there is wind, water, earth, fire. So I believe this is either earth, wind, or fire. Probably fire, because you can put the fire in there. So let's keep going. But look at how beautiful that is, how unique. And just, there's an element of grandeur here. So here you have these amazing Mayan symbols. During the day there's actually water coming out of these spigots. And this is just so unique. Nobody else has this. And the grounds are so big that they have another one just like this on the other side through that jungle path there. And let's go take a look some more. Now we're seeing the open area here, and I've seen, you know, rituals go on here and classes and that sort of thing, where you can just take a nap here over the water in the hammock, and it's just really nice. And they have the same thing on the other side as well. Let's keep going. And here we have a restaurant on the grounds, and one of the biggest or the biggest pool in the Riviera Maya. And the pool is set up to where you have a kids section, you have another section where you can do laps, you have another section for the teenagers who maybe want to dance, and another section for the quiet adults. So it's got something for everybody, and you know, not everybody has to be piled up in the same pool area. So that's actually very, very convenient and very good restaurant. I've eaten there and it's just absolutely delicious. Remember, there's 18 holes of golf near here. There's other restaurants, there's a spa, and let's go take a further look. Okay, and over here you have a kids play area, and let's keep going. Okay, and that's the pool we just came from, and the apartments that are at the very last end, the ones for under $330. But let's take a look at the beach, and this is my favorite beach because it's just so quiet, it's so tranquil, it's nice. Everything's just amazing. And the beach club, there's an actual private beach club over to the left, and it's just great. That's where I personally go to relax and get a massage and good food and that sort of thing. But just wanted you to get an idea of what this looks like. I mean, that's a lot of beach and it's super nice. And look at that, that's the beach club I was telling you about right there. And there's some apartments there under construction. That's going to be the biggest beach club in the Riviera Maya, with something like 42,000 square meters of beach club. It's also going to be the most expensive. Mexico's most richest gentleman is building that, and the condos there go for over $1 million. So having that kind of value nearby really pulls your value up. And every day, this is just a short walk to this beautiful, gorgeous, tranquil beach. And that is why this is my favorite place, because it's right off the center, it's quiet, but I'm near everything. And it's just luxury here. But I'd love to visit you if you purchase a place here. So this is Raul Moral. Thanks for watching, and let's be neighbors soon.